السلام عليكم ورحمة الله، ازيكم يا شباب؟ عاملين ايه؟ معاكم محمد عيد من قناة جيم كويست، والنهاردة جايب لكم سلسلة من ضمن سلاسل الألعاب اللي الناس كلها بتحبها. أنا ما حصلش قبل كده إن أنا ما صادفش إن أنا لعبت الجزء ده، وشايف إن الكلام طبعا عن كله عمال يقول دلوقتي، وفي أخبار مسربة بالفعل إن اساسن كريد بلاك فلاج هيتعمل لها ريماستر. فانا شايف ان دي قريبة جدا من بلاك فلاج، وانا ما لعبتهاش، فقلت يلا ناخد التجربة دي مع بعض، وهي اصلا مش كبيرة. يا ترى عرفتوا هي اسمها اساسن كريد ايه ولا لسه؟ مم. اوكي، يلا.
Stay my blade from the flesh of the innocent. Hide in plain sight. Never compromise the Assassin Brotherhood. These are the tenets of the Creed, the principles I used to live by. I was a young man then. The 7 Years' War was about to begin. I could not have imagined what the future had in store for me.
والله انا شايف ان الكات سينز يعني جميلة، يعني الجرافيك مش وحش ولا قديم، لا ممكن تتلعب عادي في 2025. شاي باتريك كورماك، دي هي قصتي. ماشي، يلا بينا نبدأ. الناس بقى اللي ما عرفتش كيل ذا اساسن، اوكي دي يا جماعة اساسن كريد هولد R2.
Well, you won't lack for firewood at least.
Admit it, I nearly had you.
Nearly counts for
Assassin
nothing.
Creed Rouge.
And besides, no. It's just luck.
I make my own luck, Liam.
You've been saying that for years, but you're precious little to show for it.
هي بيقولوا ان دي اقرب حاجة لبلاك فلاج يعني، مع ان في حاجة برضو منزلاها يوبي سوفت اسمها ايه، بلاك اند بونز باين تقريبا، بس مش عارف ما نجحتش خالص يعني، رغم ان نازل برضو منها النسخة العربي وبتاع. مش عارف ليه ما نجحتش يعني، الناس ما تقبلتهاش. هي قالت اساسن كريد بلاك فلاج يعني من ضمن الاساطير اللي الناس بتحبها، فا ايه المشكلة نحلبها؟ انتوا عارفين بقى سياسة الحلب بتاعت يوبي سوفت.
Am I going too fast for you?
I'm just keeping an eye on you in case you fall down and hurt yourself.
Hurry. We best not keep Chevalier waiting.
Un saucy critter. space that... Where the hell were you two?
We're out hunting. What happened here?
My
ماله
men were attacked
متعصب
by
ليه
some
ده كده
English
في
sea
ايه؟
dogs.
Why, Captain Joseph. Couldn't you fight them all off by yourself like you're always saying?
It is Capitaine Louis-Joseph Gauthier,
وعلى فكرة
Chevalier de la
قصتها مش
Déordre.
كبيرة يعني
And you are
القصة
dreaming if
بتاعتها
you
مش
think
طويلة.
any training could make you into a proper assassin. Do you even know what that means? It means being responsible for an ancient and proud tradition.
بس أهم حاجة بقى
It means
تبقى
obeying
حلوة
your
يعني.
mentor without question. How
احنا
else will
عارفين
we
دي
ensure freedom
من
for the human race?
That's
أيام
pretty
الجيل
words,
الذهبي
Chevalier.
أو
But I
الجيل
don't
الحلو
feel too
بتاع
free at the
أساسن
moment.
كريد.
Well then, feel educated. You irresponsible
أوبا.
wretch.
ولد تضرب
I will teach you some manners, boy.
دي ايه؟
You irresponsible wretch.
اديله.
You simpleton. You rat-brained cabbage farmer.
Gentlemen, stop! We got a common enemy, and I reckon he's close.
The Royal Navy
بس
attacked my vessel and forced
الحركة
my men to
بتاعتها
flee.
يعني
We are
أنا برضو
stranded,
لسه
and
مش
what is
هقول
worse,
دلوقتي
the
يعني.
smugglers we were
بس
supposed to
الجيم
meet
ميكانيكس
have been
بتاعها
taken
برضو
prisoner.
ايه
Say you're not
مش
afraid of
عصري يعني.
smugglers. You
يعني في
treat your
حاجات كانت
wounded.
في وقتها تقريبا أنا شايف إن هي ممكن تبقى أحلى يعني. بس نعتبرها إن احنا بنلعبها إحياء لذكرى بلاك فلاج وبمناسبة ريماستر بلاك فلاج الجديدة اللي لسه هتنزل.
Tread with care, Shay. The Royal Navy be ready for us. Remember your training.
Free.
Ready to teach them a lesson?
They don't stand a chance.
Where are your mates now, you bilge rat?
وهتقع.
Not bad.
Talk before I bash out his brains! He's trying to play us. Keep an eye out, lads! The pals are
goes
still
again.
out there somewhere!
Thank you.
ماشي هنفك أول واحد. قتلنا ستيلز اوكي. دول برضو لازم ناخدهم ستيلز صح؟ طيب انا هنا اهو كاتب لي ان انا هبعت لواحد صفارة. حد سمع؟ لازم نقرب. هصفر له.
Many thanks. I thought I'd be hanged.
قتلنا دول ننقذ ده.
Happy hunting, lads! Better ablaze!
المفروض ايه؟ فاضل حد تاني حظا. ايه ده؟ ماشي. المفروض هنطلع على السفينة دي صح؟ هو لسه في الأول يعني بيوجهنا. اوكي عايزين ناخدهم ستيلز. يا عم الحركة
Get up there!
شافوني. شافوني طبعا.
It's flank! It's flank! Keeping them down!
هيموت. هي لازم كانت تيجي من الاول ستيلز. معلش نحاول فيها تاني.
Red would care, Shay. The Royal Navy be ready for us. Remember your training.
يا
Ready to teach them a
ليه
lesson.
كل ده؟
They don't stand a
عدينا
chance.
الحتة دي يعني.
Where are your mates now, you bilge rat?
Not bad.
Talk before I bash out your brains.
ايه طيب يعني التوجيه زي الزفت ليه في اللعبة؟ مش فاهم.
Keep an eye out, lads. Their pals are still out there somewhere.
There he goes again.
Thank you.
Hold a moment. I'll have your life.
ماشي هي مشيت معانا عدت كده.
Many thanks. I thought I'd be hanged.
نروح بقى
Happy hunting, lads.
نروح المركب.
Sink that French vessel. He's no match for you. Ha ha! Yeah! Yeah!
مشيت معانا كده بس قشطة. ايه ده يا عم؟ في ايه بقى؟ دروب بوتي رمي في البحر. هو جاب لي ان انا اعمل بيك اب اهو ايكويب اهو. اوكي ماشي لسه بنتعرف. معلش لسه بنتعرف عليهم اول باول. احنا هنخش على كل دول. كده كنا عايزين امدادات يعني.
I was saving those fellas for you.
Very thoughtful. Maybe you were not completely useless, Shay.
Speaking of useless, those blockheads won't be needing this vessel anymore.
This pile of mail. You want her, Shay? She is yours. Now bring me back to my ship.
You heard, Chevalier? This vessel is yours, Shay. Go on. Take the wheel. Some of the men you rescued agreed to join us. They should prove a good crew.
ماشي
I'm not so
تشكر على
certain about your
السفينة.
captain. Next to
ماشي
me, you're the
هنعمل ايه؟
most
take the
experienced
wheel.
sailor in the Brotherhood,
اوكي
Shay. Besides, you
ماشي
could use another
نبتدي
vessel.
نقرا.
Even this
يعني
pitiful one.
She's mine, ain't she? My own ship.
Your own pile of garbage, yes?
Ah, with a lick of paint and a few new cannons, she'll look as fine as anything on the seven seas.
Shall we begin, Captain?
Indeed, mate.
هنخيش يا عم.
She's a mess, but she's still afloat. And her name's the Morgan.
Morgan? That silly fairy queen who ruined Merlin, the wise? Oh, she's perfect for you, Shay.
Captain's at the helm.
Come
Morrigan was an old goddess, the queen of war and darkness. She harvested the souls of fallen warriors. Perfect indeed.
عايز ايه؟ to fire your cannon hold L2 and ماشي aim بالR. ماشي.
Brace yourselves! Brace! Brace!
A ship! She's no false shin. They will sink her!
Let's put the Morrigan to the test, Captain Say.
Ready
واضح
for
ان
battle,
عندنا
men.
طلب. ماشي اوكي. ابعت.
Get a move on.
Stop them, boy!
Captain!
She's breaking up! They're tearing her to pieces! Do something!
Race for impact!
My ship!
في ايه فاضل مين تاني؟ المفروض نحمي السفينة دي.
Loose all and trim sharp to the wind.
Loose sail! Put
Fire!
foot brine!
Blues up. Teaser stick.
في واحدة هي.
Top gallants, royal, stud.
Who's down? On your seats!
Awaiting orders, sir! Sir! Four!
Seems this vessel is battle ready after all. I will return to what is left of the Gerfaut.
ماشي.
It's a long way home. We have repairs to do.
Sing hearty, lads.
السفينة
Chevalier is pleased with us.
بتاعتنا اللي كنا عايزين ايه. ماشي. غنوا من قلوبكم يا رفاق.
What course would you have me set, Shay?
Time to report back to the mentor. Wouldn't you agree?
Wise words, Captain. Wise words.
لسه يعني بيقول لك اهو لسه بدأ. روج اساسن كريد روج ريماسترد، يعني دي ريماسترد كمان.
What the hell did you do?
ما هي
It's some kind of dormant virus?
it-
Shit! Hang on, I'm getting you out of there. Sorry for the rough exit. Your piece working, check. You were just an Animus. Animus, yes? You were using it to access a genetic memory file in Helix labeled Shay Cormac? You work for Abstergo Entertainment, remember? Any of this ringing a bell? Your session triggered something bad, and it's affecting the whole building. We need to find your boss. You haven't forgotten your boss, have you? Melanie LeMay, zipper, chipper, overachiever? Here, take your communicator, check it if you got lost. Now let's get out of here. Follow me. Double time. This chaos is absolutely your fault, in case you're wondering.
ماشي هنتبعها.
Come on, everyone. Just like we practiced in our safety drills. Everything is gonna be okay, guys. Stay positive.
في مشكلة بقى. يعملوا
What the
لهم
hell is
إخلاء.
happening?
A file labeled Shay Cormac was booby-trapped with some kind of virus.
Your job is to prevent things like this.
We need to contain these genetic memories, then we can destroy them.
No. Isolate them. I want to study these memories.
But
With respect, Miss LeMay, this is not a request.
You heard the man.
fine.
I need to borrow your numbskull. That okay with you, Ms. LeMay?
Hey there, this might seem a bit weird, but you're gonna work for contractors we hired to, you know, upgrade our security. Mr. Otto Berg and Miss Violet DaCosta.
Call me Violet.
I have to go check on our people and prepare a statement for the press. Do whatever they tell you to do, okay? Go team!
Technically, you're not responsible for this, but you're the one who let the virus out, so I think it's only fair you help me clean it up. Mr. Berg wants us to relive Shay's genetic memories. To do that, we need to access them from Helix. But the Helix is down. We'll have to reboot the main servers in the basement. Man, whoever designed this virus is a genius. Not only does it restrict our access to the cloud, it's adapted to fuck up the other operating systems that regulate building functions. Melanie, the elevators are out of commission. Are we stuck on this floor?
Damn, yes. I'll get a repair crew on site ASAP.
There's a working area server on this floor. I guess it'll have to do for now.
Agent DaCosta, I want regular updates on your progress with Shay's genetic memories.
Why? He's just a nobody as far as I can tell.
If Shay Cormac is who I suspect he is, then this temporary setback may provide us with an unexpected reward. Proceed to the server room on this floor.
Do you see a flashing wireless signal? Great. That means you can still access systems. Go ahead and patch me into their feed. Once you restore the server, I'll connect your Animus workstation back to Helix. In theory, if you align the beams to segments of the core, it should solve the problem. But here's where it gets tricky. You have to move the circles in such a way that each segment is powered by a beam. The keyword here is each. One beam and one beam only per core segment, okay? Once everything is lit up properly, the system will reboot. Got it? Give it a shot. Good job. This core wasn't too complex. But rebooting the advanced hardware in the rest of the building will require more work.
The assassins would have you believe that Al-Mualim was a great mentor who became corrupted with greed, and that he schemed with the Templars to acquire an apple of Eden. I see instead a shrewd and cunning leader, a man who used his best assassin,
طيب
Altair ibn Lahab,
يعني
to eliminate his conspirators in order to keep the apple for himself,
حللنا لهم أول
so
مشكلة
that
في
he could
السيرفر.
use it to enforce world peace. While it must be stated unequivocally that Al-Mualim was not a Templar, it is interesting to me that his vision of peace was more in line with Templar philosophy than assassin. In the past, both sides had the same goal, that of peace. Our only difference was how we chose to achieve it. Had Al-Mualim not been killed by Altair and allowed to carry out his plan, perhaps we would not be fighting now. It was only after Altair reformed the Brotherhood with its new ideals of free will that the conflict
هم بيشرحوا لنا يعني
spread across the planet. For if the so-called wise man of the mountain can see things from our point of view, surely the same can be said for other assassins.
المعلم.
The assassins would have you believe that Al-Mualim was a great mentor who became corrupted with greed, and that he schemed with the Templars to acquire...
هو هيعيد الكلام ده تاني ولا ايه؟ مش فاهم. ايوه فهمت. اوكي يعني اطلع بقى. Perks and inspiration.
Okay.
ماشي.
So I'm not sure you're supposed to see that. Just, you should just get back to your Animus. With the servers back online, you could, in theory, restore your co-workers' workstations.
Return to your Animus.
Feel like being helpful. And you could, in theory, find some more digital goodies if you feel like being sneaky. Hey, one of your co-workers dropped his communicator by the elevator. If you see any tech lying around like that, grab them. There might be a clue as to who did this.
Now that you have unlocked Shay Cormac's memories, we stand on the brink of a grand discovery. I know you must have questions about your new assignment, or about me. For now, all I will say is that Shay's story contains the answers. Shay
ماشي عايزين نعرف قصة شاي دي. My files. اوكي. طيب ايوه نعمل ايه؟ When the enemy strikes ماشي press ندوس دايرة لما الانمي برضو ماشي.
It has been a long time. Achilles.
Adewale, how go things in the West Indies?
Very poorly, I'm afraid.
Your countenance tells me we should discuss this. Come.
Who's our visitor?
That's Adewale.
ده البطل
He's a
بتاعنا.
slave who freed himself.
شاي.
And hundreds of his brothers in the West Indies. That man's a living incarnation of the Creed.
See?
You join me for some practice?
Soon. I've got other business first.
Tell me what happened.
It was terrible, Achilles. The ground shook, and the ocean waves crashed over Port-au-Prince.
How many were lost?
Thousands. No family was left untouched.
I hate to bring up practical matters.
Reach the training area.
But did Mackendall's man complete his task before the earthquake hit?
I cannot know.
He looked worried.
نروح مكان التدريب.
I heard that Liam's waiting for you. Seen him yet?
I hear Mistress Hope was looking for you.
You are late.
Oh,
ايه هنعمل ايه؟
what did I miss? Only the first hour of training.
We're always training, Kisagawase.
And will continue to do so.
Do not waste your words. Shay abhors improvement as much as cats abhor leashes.
Hey.
A pity. The boy has so much potential. But so little discipline.
All right. All right. What would you have me do?
Well played.
So, what's the challenge today?
Shooting straight and true. Here, you can use these.
These are yours.
Well, I want you to have half a chance of succeeding. Go on. Shoot these targets. You can take your time, but not too much. There's more work after this.
في ايه مش فاهم؟ هي ما جاتش فيه ليه؟
Reload.
انا مش فاهم.
Anyone can hit targets standing still. Let's see how you do on the run. Come on, hurry up.
معرفش بيضرب فوق ليه يعني. هو ده طبيعي كده؟ مش عارف يقوم ضارب عامل الطلقة فوق ليه يعني. ده ستايل مثلا طيب ولا ايه؟ اهو برضو ماشي. هو طالما بتتحسب خلاص هنعمل ايه يعني. الوقت عدى طبعا.
I know you can do better, Shay. Try again.
ملحقناش. بس ما تحسبش المرة دي. ماشي يلا 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 بسرعة عشان هو بيعدوا علينا الوقت. اجري بقى ما تبقاش تقيل في حركتك كده يعني. ايه ده يا ابني؟ انت عمال يشرب ايه ده يا عم؟ يلا يا عم.
Come on, hurry up. Almost. Better luck next time.
يا ابني ايه القرف ده بجد والله. انا عايز اعرف ده بتحط ايه في بقك؟
Faster.
يلا هم سهلين اصلا والله، بس هي المشكلة اللعبة بطيئة موت. عمال يحط حاجة في بقه معرفش بيحط ايه وهو بيعمر. ما اتعلمتش حاجة من ارثر مورجان يا ابني. اطلع يا ساتر. ماشي تمام.
Time's running out.
تاني بقى.
Well done, Shay. Keep it up.
مش عارف هنستحمل
Don't let the others vex you.
احنا
Mean well.
الجيم ميكانيكس دي ولا ايه؟ انا يعني unpopular opinion يا جماعة، انا مش من فانز يوبي سوفت اصلا.
Far be it from me to keep a lady waiting.
I'm no lady here. Don't you forget it.
وحظنا معانا لعبتين يوبي سوفت دلوقتي.
Well, some of that is true at least. What would we be doing?
exploring a myriad ways to end a life.
تقول له
You two!
أنا مش سيدة،
Make yourselves useful and watch
أنا
Shay.
معلمتك ومتفوقة عليه. kill
Can you kill
from
without being
above,
noticed?
kill from push, kill while sprinting, kill. ماشي.
Attack from around a
طب ما
corner.
تقولوا لنا يا
and your
جماعة
target
ندوس
will
ايه
never
يعني،
notice.
معلش بما اننا لسه جداد يعني. رأيتني في انا عملت ايه غلط يعني. hide in defense, hide in dense.
The classic haystack.
ماشي
Hide in it
تخبينا.
and surprise your target when he gets close.
kill from above، اقتل من الأعلى. طيب نقتل من الأعلى، فلازم عشان نقتل من الأعلى نطلع على حاجة عالية. متحسبتش برضو.
Huh, the classic haystack. Hide in it and surprise your target when he gets close.
طب دي اتحسبت.
Top form, Shay.
ماشي دي above. ماشي.
Too noisy.
Huh, the classic haystack.
He's right
انت برضو
there!
شفتني.
Hide in it and surprise your target when he gets close.
اديني استخبيت.
Huh, the classic haystack. Hide in it and surprise your
مش
target when he
عايزين
gets
حد
close.
نقتله من الشجر. ايوه زي ما فين. متحسبتش ليه؟
Nicely done. I am surprised.
تمام
He's right
دي
there!
اتحسب. طيب برضه انها هناك.
Stay low and
يا عم
stick to the
افصل
brush.
بقى، يا عم افصل بقى
Patient and
اهو.
you might hit your target.
شايف شغلك انت قوي، قالت لك راقبوني يبقى عمال تراقبني.
Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target.
طب هي دي ما تعتبرش يعني كيل فروم؟
Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target.
He's right there!
Hey!
Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target.
Too noisy.
Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target.
ماشي، هو المفروض قتل من خلال الشجر. طيب يا عم انا ملحقتش، انت عايز طلقة في دماغك.
Stay low and stick to the brush.
Here you
Be
are.
patient and you might hit your target.
بس دي بقى، هي دي بقى، يلا بقى. برضو ما اتحسبتش.
I see him there.
Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target.
He's right there.
Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target.
He's right there.
انا دخلت لهم كل الادغال اللي في الدنيا.
I see
مش
him
عارف
there.
نعمل ايه تاني.
Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target. Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target.
Don't play somewhere else.
He's right there.
Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target. Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target.
I saw you.
Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target. Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target.
هو مش شايفني كده مثلا ولا ايه؟ مش فاهم.
Stay low and
بس
stick to
ايه
the
بقى في
brush.
الشجيرات بقى اهي يعني.
Patient and you might hit your target.
Here you are.
Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target. Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target.
He's right there!
Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target. Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target. Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target.
برضه مش فاهم طيب.
Stay low and stick to the brush. Be patient and you might hit your target.
Go away! Nothing to interest you here.
You certainly know how to handle yourself. You did better than I expected. Have your skills actually grown, Shay? Do not get a swelled head over it. Better go now. The others will be waiting. Remember what I taught you. Be patient. Be silent. Never let them see you coming.
Shay, follow me. It's time you learn to survive in the frontier.
I think I've been managing well enough so far.
Perhaps. But there is more I can teach you. Climb back up.
ليه يا حبيبي وقعت ليه؟ كمل وراه يلا. عاش. شوف هيقول لنا ايه. locate an animal. ماشي.
Use all your senses together to find prey.
طب ماشي، هنقتله ازاي؟ يعني قولوا لنا نقتله ازاي.
Killing should not be meaningless. We must use what nature gives us. Good. Now to use what you have taken from nature.
ندوس دي علشان نعمل كرافتنج. ماشي، يعني بيستول هولدر. خدنا السكن بتاعه، عملنا منه ايه بتاع نشيل منها نشيل فيها المسدسات. اوكي طيب تمام.
With these, you can keep your pistols close. Achilles has one more thing to show you.
ماشي.
You have done well, Shay.
ايه تاني؟ ما تجري يابا، اجري يا حاج، اجري يا عم. في ايه؟ انت ماشي على الكورنيش، اجري.
Shay, I hear you've become quite the marksman.
Generous gift.
دول بيستلمونا بقى واحد واحد النهارده. كل واحد شايف بقى هيعلمنا ايه من عنده.
People of Haiti will make good use of your supplies. I trust you will retrieve what has been lost.
Lost? The Templars stole two precious artifacts. A manuscript of ancient wisdom and a box that allows one to understand its language.
I have tracked the Templar as far as this coast, but I fear the rest is up to you, my friend.
Farewell, Adewale. Whoever controls the artifacts can access precursor sites of power. We must recover them, or none are safe.
دي هتبقى المهمة الجاية بتاعتنا يعني ولا ايه؟ ماشي اوكي. طيب ماشي، خلينا نوقف لغاية كده. يعني احنا خدنا فكرة سريعة عنها وعرفنا. انا برضو ما دورتش في القصة بتاعتها يعني بصراحة. روج دي شفت بتتكلم عن ايه، بس هدور فيها برضو علشان لما لما نبدأ ان شاء الله الحلقة الجاية يبقى الواحد ايه ملم بالدنيا بتاعتها شوية وفاهم ايه فاهم فيها. انا بحب كده، ما بحبش اخش ايه على عماية يعني واتفاجئ بالاحداث. طيب ادي دي كانت الحلقة الاولى من ان شاء الله من سلسلة اساسن كريد روج، ودي تاني سلسلة معانا على القناة بعد افاتار فرونتيرز اوف باندورا. وبنزل Red Dead Redemption 1 برضو. انا مش عارف مين اللي هينزل قبل مين، اعتقد افاتار هتنزل الاول، وفي سلسلة تانية برضو محضرها لكم ان شاء الله معاهم، يعني هيبقى اكتر من حاجة مع بعض في نفس الوقت. لو عجبك الفيديو ما تنساش اللايك والسبسكرايب بتاعكم علشان نكمل الرحلة سوا. سلام.